Welcome to Vlogmas Day 5! Chloe, what are we gonna do today? What are we gonna do? Are we gonna decorate some cookies? Are we gonna decorate treats? Oh. So I'm gonna be decorating these ugly Christmas sweater cookies today. Honestly, I pray that they come out this good. I'm like kind of an artist if you didn't know. But I thought for this Vlogmas it would be fun if we just kind of sat down, chilled, hung out. Still had a festive type video. And I'm also going to be doing a Q&A during this video. So I know it's not so much like a vlog, adventure, kind of like what I've been doing a little bit, but I wanted to decorate some stuff, you know. Yeah. This is going to be really hard to do if my dog is going to be super nosy the entire time. I know you guys can't really see him, but he's here. But you can't eat any of this. I shouldn't have said the T-R-E-A-T word, because now he's very intrigued. He's not gonna leave me alone, I can guarantee that. This is what my cookie looks like. She's super cute. I don't know why I'm talking like this. I'm really sorry. I feel very like extra today. Colby, can you? They're not for you, they're for mama. So this kit is actually kind of great. It comes with like good candy. Like, look at these. They're super cute, but they're also like not the chunky, like gross kind of candies you get in the gingerbread houses. And it comes with red icing, a green and a white icing, and then this thick stuff, which honestly I don't know if I'll use. I'll probably just like funnel it in my mouth. I'm kidding, that's really gross, but you never know. They did an outline and then like went for it. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm like really nervous about this because I feel like it just won't turn out. We're doing things! Yes. Kind of messed up on this armpit here, but you get the point. I think I want to do like a giant snowflake in the middle of this one. This could end terribly. Oh no. My poor finger. How do you even draw a snowflake? Ah, my finger! You guys. This is gonna be the whole video. I can't tell you guys how intently my dog is staring at me right now. This is what you guys aren't seeing. He's literally laying right in front of me while the cookie is here. You're being crazy. But you're so cute, aren't you? And you know it. Now we're gonna take some green and add some cute little, I don't know, things. The red is like half gone on the side, but that's okay. Can I help you? Excuse me. Get down. Get down. Oh, tell me about your life. Tell me how hard it is. Boom, bam, turkey, and ham. Yes. So that's cookie number one. Kind of basic, but we're gonna keep getting crazy with it. Don't be sniffing around, boy. I see you. Yippee! Okay, next one. Instead of outlining it like the first one, that was obviously a mistake because I got all over my fingers. We're just gonna go for the design first. This one I want to be a tree. Oh no. Oh no. I'll just use my finger as an eraser. It's gonna be a-okay. I'm gonna take some sprinkles. These are so tiny. Oh no, this gingerbread is missing a leg. Literally missing a leg. Well, you know what? Just for that, he's gonna become a part of our tree. So I can show him that even though his leg is literally broken and missing, he's still worth something. Boom. Now I'm gonna add a little line for the like base of the tree. A little wonky again, but like whatever. I'm gonna add some polka dots. I just realized I haven't been answering any questions for the Q&A portion of this video, so let's start by answering one. What is your favorite Christmas movie? I would definitely have to say Elf is up there. Home Alone. For sure, Home Alone. Love them. Who is your favorite Disney character? Belle from Beauty and the Beast. Don't get it twisted. Ta-da! She's beautiful! Oh. Yes? Hi. How do you feel about it? Is it beautiful? No? Next question du jour is, if you had to dye your hair, what color would it be? Honestly, if I had the confidence to like actually make it a color rather than like your typical brown, blonde, I feel like a pastel purple would be really cool. But I also don't feel like I'm trendy and hip enough to do that. Like, I love my dark hair. This is my natural hair color and I really do love it. But what are some of your favorite moments of 2018? Let me tell you, 2018 like wasn't the best year for me. There are definitely a lot of ups and downs. One of my favorite memories would definitely be when my boyfriend surprised me for my birthday to take me to feed giraffes. It was so incredible. I still go back and watch that vlog that I made, and just like to think that that actually happened to me was crazy. Rude. Why are you interrupting? I would also say graduating college for good is definitely up there. It really made me feel like very accomplished and proud, and to be able to walk the stage with my boyfriend was really cool as well. I feel like 2018 was like, although yes there were like a lot of downs for me, I also feel like it was kind of a chill year for me. I feel like this year I just really needed to like learn and grow as a person, and that's kind of what happened. Like, I didn't really do many adventurous things, and that's okay. So I would say definitely those two things are up there. What was the best present you've received? I don't know. There's definitely some that stand out, but I'm not a very materialistic person. My dad has surprised us with like family vacation trips in the past, which is obviously so fun, and I'm so thankful and lucky to be able to, you know, go on vacation with my family and just experience that. Hey! What do you think you're doing? I also remember when I was younger, my parents put my brother and I on a hunt around the house, which is like one of my favorite things. I think there's a question about like traditions that you do for Christmas, and that used to be one of them. My parents would like set up a hunt, and my brother and I would go on the hunt to find our like big gift. And there was one year that we went on a hunt, and my brother and I got the GT cruisers, like the toboggan type things. If you guys don't know what those are, I'll put a picture right here. So whenever I saw that, I was like so freaking stoked. But that is also the thing that I'm pretty sure gave me a concussion, because I went so fast and high off of a jump and landed so poorly that I literally think I concussed myself. Okay, I'm trying to do like hearts. I'm actually really like happy with how these are turning out. What's your favorite Christmas song? I don't know the name of it. It's really intense though. It has like all the instruments. It's like do 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 do. You know that one? Maybe, hopefully. If I was like going to the gym, which let's be honest, I feel like if I wanted to get like super hype, I would listen to that, especially this time of year. What are a few things you can't leave the house without? My keys, my wallet, and my phone. What is your favorite thing to do in the winter? I personally really like going like skiing and snowboarding. Ugh, my leg is like falling asleep. Next question. Do you and Justin have any holiday traditions? If so, what are they? Well, Justin and I have only celebrated one Christmas so far. This Christmas is gonna be our second Christmas together. So we haven't really been dating long enough to have traditions. Last year, him and I went to the Christmas market together, which I actually have a vlog on that on my channel. So if you guys want to watch that, I'll leave that link down below or in the iCard above. We always spend New Year's together. We did last year and we're planning to this year, but I feel like that's a given. Like if you're in a relationship, that's kind of what you do. So I had a few people asking if I have any holiday traditions. So as I mentioned earlier, my parents used to put on like a Christmas hunt for us, which was so fun. I dropped a sprinkle. And I've been asking my dad for like years to do that again for us, because personally I think it's so much fun and I just don't want the tradition to end. Like, I don't know, that's really sad to me. I get it, like he did it for us when we were kids, and we're not really kids anymore, we're older, so like, but I also feel like my family is like very busy during the holidays. Like all of us have completely different schedules, so it's kind of hard to actually like plan anything out. Gonna work. Well, I don't think I can get these back into the package. Oh, I don't really want to eat them, but not really the best decision I've ever made, but ugh. That's the next one. Woot woot. And the last question I have is, what made you start a YouTube channel? I started my first YouTube channel back in like 7th or 8th grade or something like that. I just saw so many other people doing YouTube videos, and YouTube was something that like a lot of people were just getting to know. Like, it's not like how it is nowadays where everybody knows about YouTube and everybody wants to join YouTube. But I definitely had some YouTubers that I watched constantly, like iJustine, Shane Dawson, and there was this girl that made like music videos. And I think just seeing her do her music videos and like how easy it was, I just kind of thought to myself like, hey, I can do that too. And it was also just like an outlet for me. It was something that was really fun that like a lot of people didn't know I did. And honestly, a lot of people didn't know about my YouTube channel for the first like 3-4 years. I don't even think people in high school really knew that I did YouTube, but now I feel like everybody knows. Like literally everybody from high school knows, all of my college friends know, all of my work friends know. I don't know, it's just not really something to like hide nowadays. Like, I'm proud of what I do and it's a lot of fun for me. But yeah, I think that's gonna be all the ugly sweaters I'm going to be decorating today, so I can show you guys the final product. There's this one with the cute little Christmas tree. There's this one I just did. Ooh. There's this one with the snowflake, and then there's this one with the hearts. Should I like test eat one? Maybe I'll just eat one of the plain ones. I don't want to like ruin my masterpieces, you know? But anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching Vlogmas Day 5. I had a lot of fun making these, and I also feel like I haven't made a Q&A for quite some time. So it's just like a fun little video, you know? If you enjoyed, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know down below which ugly Christmas sweater was your favorite that I made. If you're not caught up with all my other Vlogmas videos, I'll link them all down below for you guys. And be sure to have post notifications on so you guys know every single time I upload either a Vlogmas video or a regular video. I love you guys so much. Remember that you are beautiful, you are loved, and you are uniquely you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!